triangles today. Again, our notes today will be classifying triangles. You were given two foldables, well, you made two foldables. We're looking at the first one. On the first one, it looks something like this. And then the flaps over here. On the side part where the flaps aren't, you're going to write angle measures. Okay, we can classify triangles by angle measures and side lengths. So let's first talk about the angle measure ones. We have an acute triangle, a right triangle, an obtuse triangle, and equiangular triangle. And remember arc marks, so we're going to put arc marks there. Okay, so that's the front. So then you're going to open up the flaps and we're going to talk about each type of triangle. Alright, so acute triangle. An acute triangle has three acute angles. Again, an acute triangle has three acute angles, and it would look something like that. Okay? A right triangle has one right angle. Again, a right triangle has one right angle. It would look something like that. An obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle. An obtuse triangle again has one obtuse angle, and it would look something like the one I drew. The last but not least is equiangular. Equiangular has three congruent angles, and they all are 60 degrees. So it would be an acute triangle, but all of them would be equal. So it would look like that. Alright, on the other foldable, is just three flaps on this one. And this time we're going to classify the triangle based on side lengths. So we have equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Alright, we're going to go inside of each one, inside the flap. This time we're going to write on both sides of the flaps, okay? Alright, so equilateral. For it to be an equilateral triangle, you're going to have three congruent sides. Remember, the tick marks mean congruent. Alright, and automatically, so on the outside flap, if it's equilateral, it's also going to be equiangular. Okay. For isosceles, you need to have at least two congruent sides. And this one, the base angles are congruent. So that means that this angle is congruent to this angle. Okay, and scalene, no congruent sides, congruent angles. Alright, we're going to do an example. Alright, we're going to do this example here. So go ahead and write it down. Press pause if you need to. It says find the lengths of the sides of this equilateral triangle. So realize that all the sides are equal, but I only need two sides to set up an equation. So I'm going to just do 3y minus 4 is equal to 2y plus 3. So minus 2y. So I'm left with y minus 4 equals 3. So plus 4. So y equals 7. They asked me to find the side length, so that means I have to plug back in. So 3y minus 4. So instead of y, I'm going to put 7. So 3 times 7 minus 4 will give me 21 minus 4, which equals 17. And I only need to do one side because all the sides are equal. You don't care about my 4 little minutes.